Hello and welcome to History's a Blast. We've settled into our campsite at the General Burnside Island State Park in southeastern Kentucky on our long trip from Pittsburgh down to Huntsville, Alabama and back up there in May of 2021. And we're going to make leftovers tonight. So stick around and I'll show you how we prepare this dish. Yeah, we always tote the 10-inch Lodge Dutch oven with us on these camping trips, and on Saturday we had some friends from Huntsville over for a Dutch oven dinner of country-style boneless pork ribs, and we had 4 left over, so we've been keeping in the fridge and we're going to do them up tonight. We're going to use leftover barbecue sauce that we had from the dinner the other night, so it's going to be double use. And we got some fresh sweet potatoes, 2 sweet potatoes, and a Vidalia onion chopped up in rings. I'm going to put about that much olive oil in the pan or in the oven. Once we get the oven lubed up with olive oil on the bottom and the sides, a nice liberal coating, we take these onion rings and we lay them in the bottom of the oven, and what that does is that'll give it some standoff underneath the ribs when we put them in there. And then we're going to take some of this barbecue sauce, and we're just going to put just about that much, just to coat it on the bottom. There's some onions and sweet potatoes pieces left in there from last time too, so this will give it some extra seasoning. And just lay the ribs in there. We only have 4 tonight. There's, like I said, they were left over from the other day, so there's 4. That's enough. And then the seasoning, I'm just going to use some of this Mrs. Dash's salt-free, everything but the salt seasoning that I picked up at Kmart the other day, or at Walmart the other day. Give it a good liberal sprinkling of all 4 pieces. There we go. And then we'll pour the rest of our leftover barbecue sauce and pieces of sweet potatoes in there with whatever seasoning was left in there. And then we'll put the rest of the onions in here. I had the small pieces I chopped up, and sprinkle those in there. And then we'll just put the sweet potatoes in on top of that. All right, let's leave those on there evenly. Whoop. Okay, let's move those around so that everything's covered evenly. And that's it. Cover it up. And let's take it on over. We'll take it on over to the fire. Alrighty. This recipe calls for 1 hour at 375, and on a 10-inch Dutch oven, that's 8 down and 15 on top. So there's my circle, and a circle of 15 around the outside. So we'll let that sit for about 30 minutes and check on it, and see you back then. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, so let's take a look and see what's going on in there. Let's take a look here. Oh, that's steaming up nice. That's looking good. Okay, I think we'll just let it go for a little while, and maybe we'll change some of the coals and keep the coals fresh. I had another batch of coals going in the chimney, so I put about 6 more underneath with the tongs. I just tucked them underneath with the tongs, and then the rest of them I just dumped on top. I had about another I'd say about another 8 coals, 8 to 10 coals on top. And between the old coals and the new coals, that'll get us through to the next 30 minutes, and we'll have a good dish ready to go after 60 minutes. So we'll check it in about 25 minutes from now, and check back. Okay, it's been another 30 minutes. We've been in there about 57 minutes now, so let's check it out and see what's going on. There you go. That's done. Alrighty, nice and boiled up. That's ready to go. We'll get this plated up. So that's country style boneless pork ribs and sweet potatoes and onions in barbecue sauce. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please click the thumbs up icon to like the video and share with your friends via email or social media. I'd love to have you subscribe, and if you do, please click the little bell icon